Alright, today we're gonna do a quick demo on how to put together a 8x8 or 8x10 hardware, depending on which one you order. They're all pretty much the same, just the heights really are adjustable to make the difference. Okay, so pretty much this is how they'll come. You get a bag like this. You're gonna get a bag that's in a tube. That comes in a tube already. So pull out the tube and then you'll get this. One of these is going to be the ones that go in here, which is the ones that has the screw at the bottom. So we pretty much have half of the base done. You're going to space it out to approximate the width of the area, well, the band I should say. Get it out of the way. Next, what I like to do is I like to pull the poles out. Keep in mind that these poles are adjustable. So you turn it this way to lock it, you turn it the opposite way to loosen it out. Alright, so now what I like to do is open the banner. Roll it out. Slide it inside. Then roll it up. You can do the same thing for the one at the bottom. This is where you're going to need a little bit of help soon. For the most part it's a one person, but you do need a second person to help you raise it up. At least so. So now my helper here is here. He's gonna take one of these, and we're both gonna do basically raise it up together, roll it all out, and do the same thing that we did at the bottom. Pass the pin through, and then turn it. Okay, let's just bring it back a bit. Okay. Alright, from here, all we're going to do now is to go ahead and start raising the grill up. Okay, so we're going to start with this one first. Twist it out. Go up. Don't put it out all the way. Don't go all the way. Let's try right here. We can always come back. Because depending on your hardware, sometimes the actual hardware is longer than the actual banner. This particular hardware goes up to 10 feet, but the banner itself is 8. So there's more room for you to keep going up. Alright, so now we're going to go to the second one. Twist it to unlock it. We're going to go up. Alright, looks like we reached. Twist it, lock it. That's why I can go up a bit more, just to make sure it gets tight. You see the tension get a lot tighter. Like you see the loose the tension, see it gets lost here. Over there, it looks like it's perfect right now. Alright, so that is pretty much it. Do a quick repeat. Say cheese!